In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to make your own iPhone ringtones from iTunes. Before you begin, ensure that you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your Windows computer. Also, confirm that the song you want to use is already available in your iTunes library. Step 1. Launch iTunes and locate the song you wish to use for your ringtone. Right-click on the song and choose Get Info from the menu. Step 2. In the Get Info window, go to the Options tab. Check the boxes for Start Time and Stop Time, then set the beginning and ending points for the ringtone. Remember, the maximum length for a ringtone is 40 seconds. Tip: listen to the song first and select the exact part you want to use as your ringtone before adjusting the times. Step 3. Right-click the song again and choose Create AAC version. This will generate a new version of the song with the segment you selected in Step 2. Step 4. Once the new song is created, right-click it and select Show in Windows Explorer on Mac. Use Show in Finder. This will open a new window with the song saved as an M for a file. To make it a ringtone, rename the file extension from M4A to M4R, the correct format for iPhone ringtones. Leave this window open for the next step. Step 5. Go back to iTunes and delete the newly created AAC version by right-clicking and selecting Delete Song. When prompted, choose Keep File to leave the actual file on your computer. Step 6. Now, return to the Windows Explorer window with the M4R file and double-click it. This will automatically add the file to iTunes under the Tones library. Step 7. Connect your iPhone to iTunes, then select the Tones section. Check Sync All Tones, and click Sync or Apply to transfer the ringtone to your iPhone. Step 8. On your iPhone, go to Settings Sounds Ringtone. Your newly created ringtone will appear at the top of the list. You can also set it as your text tone or voicemail sound.